My dear friends, so blessings and have another good morning hours and so this is a small recording. This is a small recording about this. You can see this one. So you can see this one. SYNCO Lavalier. SYNCO Lavalier S8 professional omnidirectional microphone. So the microphones plays a very important role. Microphones plays a very important role when recording. So when recording these movie recordings and like that. So this sound sound recording is very important. Sound recording. So this time this actually very nice packaging. So you can see I am doing an unboxing of this Lavalier S8 microphone. SYNCO, right? So that SYNCO. So SYNCO Lavalier S8 microphone. So these are microphones. Microphones are very important. Microphones are very important when recording this sound. So now in these mobile phones and in these DSLR cameras, so they have inbuilt microphones. So they have inbuilt microphones. But once you connect an external microphone. So once you connect an external microphone, so then that sound pickup is good. So then you get some sort of a professional sound pickup. So once you connect an external, so this is that 3.5 millimeters jack. 3. Now this is a gold plated jack. So this is a SYNCO Lavalier S8 microphone. So here you get that 3.5 millimeters. 3.5 millimeters gold plated jack. So this is widely this jack widely compatible with this Android phones, Android devices, and in the DSLR camera also widely used. This 3.5 millimeters jack. These are gold plated one. So it's a very good one. And here you get the switch. SYNCO, and so this is very important. This is very important when sound recording. An external microphone is very important. An external microphone, that is very important. So you can see my unboxing video. So you can now I am attaching to this episode. So you can see this my unboxing video, and this is the lovely carrying case. So there's a small carrying bag also. There's a lovely carrying bag, and so these are the now I'm not going to just I want to show you this. Inside you get this Windmuff, then this button cell, this tie clip. So you have to attach these things, and you have to attach these items, accessories to this microphone, and after that only you have to use. So after that only you have to use in the fields. So and I am always telling that there is manuals. So you can see the close up of this manual. So I'm always telling that these manuals are very important. These manuals are very important. Always you have to read the manuals well. prior to the use, always you have to read the manuals well. So all the instructions and these performance parameters are there. Then this battery replacement. Then this Ola pattern, omnidirectional. There are three patterns. So there are three patterns in sound pickup. So this one is the Ola. This one you can get the close up. This is a Ola pattern omnidirectional. So now I am attaching this episode 1 to my episode 2, and then you can see this I am unboxing. This is an unboxing of this Lavalier, SYNCO Lavalier S8 professional microphone. So just you can watch my video. So go to the episode 2 then, right? So from the episode 2, so you can see the unboxing.